is regrettably also your best fucking friend.
Hey, no plan is perfect, Lenny. Come on, man, cheer up. Roll's gonna end in 10 minutes anyway.
You must be so pleased. I mean, I followed your jelly bean trail right here like a good little chump.
You got froggy on me a couple times.
Oh?
Yeah, remember that riff about the Death Squad? That was pretty good. I had to keep it from going to the cops.
You know, I've heard stuff about a death squad.
The issue isn't whether you're paranoid, Lenny. I mean, look at this shit. The issue is whether you're paranoid enough.
So there never was a death squad?
No.
Just those two loose cannon cops are running around covering their butts.
Pretty zany, huh? All this shit caused by random traffic stop, huh? Ain't nothing means nothing, man. You know that.
Look around, the whole planet's in total fucking chaos.
The day of reckoning is upon us!
You gotta get what you can, while you can, because some shitbird can come put a 22 in the back of your head any second. Enjoy it.
Lenny!
Motherfucker, you doing? Down! Come here!
Come here.
Come here, Lenny! I'm taking you with me, you motherfucker! Come here! Come here with me!